Good morning, everyone, and today it's just a little update of my begonia plant. And this is a fairly new plant to my collection. I think it's been in my care for about 4 weeks now, and I'm just so happy that it's doing really well. It's currently living in my east facing window. If you could see that. Unfortunately, we have a building in front of us and on the side, so we don't get any sunlight coming through in the early morning, but still it's doing very well. And as you can see, that's a new leaf right there. And I think the humidity level is very good in this area because I can see the tips of the leaves are still intact. I don't see any brownings or crispy brown leaf tips, so I'm really happy about that. So that's one leaf over there, a new one, and I have another one from on that stem, and right onto this side that's another new leaf. So I'm happy about this plant. When I first got this, I looked it up, and almost every information say that it needs a little bit of direct sunlight in the morning. But for 4 weeks, it's been here in my east-facing window without any direct sunlight at all. It's doing well, so, and I hope it stays that way. And also, I put some gravel down there at the bottom, if you could see that. Put some gravel, so it's sitting on a gravel with tiny water underneath, but not touching the actual plastic pot. And it took me a long time to get this, the label, why is it in the form of a fish? And I looked it up, and this plant is also called as a common name as trout begonia, so no wonder that it came with this fish label. And so that's about my begonia. And also I have something else to show you. So this is my aloe plant, and I just have a lot of leaves there from my succulent that I'm trying to propagate. And look at those blooms. They're just tiny, but I like the color. It's still beautiful. So I mean, if you keep plants inside and they still bloom for you, I'm so happy about that. And I think that's the reward that we get from taking care of them. You can see they're not fully open yet, but it adds a bit of color to my space. Alright guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.